Hello, 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 Tinman here. I got a nice little new build for Mr. JB. Mr. JB, got you done here, buddy. And went ahead and put the new Tinman sticker on it. We've got a 10B 8.0 HG 2879B bias. This is a full-time bias box. Simply, if you want to go to sideband, turn on sideband, and I've got capacitors on the inside. Then, if you want to transmit, you transmit. You can leave this one on at all times. Simply, when you power it on, that's going to turn on the relay and turn off the relay. So relay's on, relay's off, SSB. So you can't, if you turn on the SSB, it's going to turn on your transmit. So if you notice that if you turn on the SSB, it's going to automatically turn on your transmit. The transmit, this will be AM, and then other B side band. I may put you a label right here that says AM. But otherwise, I have you a breaker here. And we'll go to the inside. All blue. Put a big hefty computer grade capacitor. It is a I'm not going to tell the size, but it's very large, as in capacitance. Make sure we keep all of the noise out of the amp from the supplies. I do not have any noise. I've tested it all on the scope, each module independently, and they are not having any noise on the scope or in the radio. So all good to go. Got delay, got biased. This thing's ready to rock and roll, buddy. And then we'll sit down here and go around to the back. Made in America. 120 volt. Need a 20 amp circuit to run this. There's your serial number. Your in and out. Yep, there we go. So the best thing we want to do is get on with some testing. With these 8s, I have not even put a driver on, because I'm using 40 bird and I'm getting 600 bird. No sense in even putting a driver on it from my side, because if I put a driver on it, you're just going to see 800 to 1,000, which is full potential. I've done that several times on several videos. All these come out to the same, so we'll just roll with it. All right, so power on, transmit's not on. So let's go ahead and check our talk through tune on it. Talk through tune is what we're going to show going through the amp while not on. When not transmitting on 5 watt, reflect dummy load, 5 watt, reflect back to the radio. And we're going to there's your pass-through tune. Very good, very clean. And this is your, let's see here, let me show you how many watts we're going to be driving this amp with. This is just bird. Should be around 40, 42. So 50 watt slug going forward, be in the middle scale. So there's 40 and there's 50. Right about 42, 43 average watts, and about 70 or so peak. So, and that's all I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this particular radio, and I'm going to throw a 1,000 hertz tone into it, and go up to the band here, 1,000 watts in average. Peak light's not on. 2,500 watt slug in peak, and I hope these batteries aren't getting low. They've been on for a couple of days. And we got dozy watts up here. It's not even connected. It's just funny. All right, and then 5 watt reverse back to dummy load, and 5 watt reverse back to the radio. All right, so let's go ahead and get started here. 2,500 watt slug reading the top scale, 500, 1,000, 1,500. 1,000 watt scale reading the bottom, 6, 8,000. You ready? Well, get turn on that transmit. There we go. So here we go. Right at almost 600 average, and should be right close to 1250 peak. That's right on the money. Right on the money. Let's see here again. Beautiful, beautiful. And our SWRs, we have no SWRs. So, yeah. JB, it has been a pleasure, buddy. I guess I can show you the sideband too. I'm about to swap radios. Of course, without a driver, you're going to see your wattage not quite as high. But let's see here. I'll throw in a solid tone here too. All right. So, sideband delay, and we'll go over here. Look at the 50 kilohertz division. We're on channel 20, and let's see here. Get rid of that. So let's change your span. We'll go out to say 100 for the next test. Good and clean. We'll go ahead and go out to 200 by division, and we're seeing the first and second harmonics. So of course that's solid there. Yep, should be good to go, buddy. Having questions, just let us know. And remember, Tinman, bump bump.